this demonstration we'll have a brief overview of the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So what we have on the home page is we have the home page information. So we've got links that we can click on so we can get information. Users tab, we can see any active users that we have in our organization. Contacts, guest users, deleted users. Then here, what we can also do is we can also create groups. We have roles for our role-based access, our role-based admin. In the case of our resources tab, we have access to our room or equipment, mails, and our sites. In the case of billing, we can have a look at costing. We can purchase services. We have the support tab, so we can put in a service request. Remember, 24/7 support in the case of Office 365, and we can view the current status of our service requests. In the case of our settings, so we can manage our domains. We can come in, we can manage how search behaves. Have a look at our settings in settings, so we can see the services that we currently have access to. We can look at settings relating to our security and privacy, so we can put in password policies, for example, privacy policies. If this is a case we're going to be using this in large organizations, self-service password reset is always useful. Don't really want to have to spend too much time just answering phone calls for people who forgot their passwords or potentially where their passwords are not working. We can have a look at the information relating to our company or our organization, so we can customize exactly how our organization behaves. What we've also got here as well is we can go into the setup of Office 365. We can look at reports, so we can look at usage, for example. We can look at best practice with our security and compliance. What we've also got as well is we've also got health, so we can see the health of the status of the actual service itself. So if we just come into health and if we just look at service health, for example, what we should see at this point here is everything's working. We do have a problem with SharePoint Online. Let's just have a look to see what that problem is. So what we'll find at this point here, all site owners are experiencing issues when editing sites via the site information panel. Okay, so that's a known issue. We can see the start time, we can see when it was last updated. Won't worry too much about that. Let's have a look at our message center, see if there's any messages. So in the case of all active messages, and as we can see, we've got messages in here, and we can use this to better support ourselves. Then if we come down, we have various admin centers. So we have a security admin center, compliance, Azure Active Directory. We're using the onmicrosoft.com Exchange. So I can come in here and I can manage my Exchange server settings, because this is Office Exchange Online. And as you can see, we have the Exchange Admin Center. So for anybody that does a lot of work with Microsoft Exchange Server, one of the things you will notice is there's no servers tab. And the reason why there's no servers tab is the servers are being looked after by Microsoft at this point here. This is Office 365. But apart from that, this is near enough exactly the same as what we get with Microsoft Exchange Server 2019. Main advantage, I suppose, of the Office 365 Exchange Admin Center is a case of we have a dashboard. And on the dashboard, we can get additional information relating on the dashboard. But everything else, apart from that, is near enough the same as an on-premise version of Exchange. The main advantage of Office 365 is this is patched. We don't need to patch it. Microsoft look after this Exchange server that we're using online. That's the end of this demonstration of looking at a very high-level overview of the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Thank you.